One more ball to go in this over. Ashwin looking up to the heavens. Sweeps it past square leg. That could be the moment, ladies and gentlemen. Bahrain has pulled off. What a victory! What a victory here. They say cricket is a great leveler. What again this has turned out to be. After going for 38 runs in the last over, Bahrain has won without a single wicket falling. A 10-wicket victory. This is what you call cricket a great leveler. Ashwin and Ajay, what a great opening partnership. A 10-wicket victory in the finals. Ajay, the captain, being content for 38 runs in the final over, still is there at the beginning, at the opening, and makes sure that his team goes through. Fantastic captain's innings supporting his star player, Ashwin. What a match. What a fantastic tournament we have had, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you everyone who is coming here in large numbers to support this tournament, to support the players, and to cheer all across the ground. Unbelievable scenes here. It was a nail-biter of a match. And I think it is poetic justice that Ajay hit the winning runs after being caught for 38 runs in the final over. He stayed there till the end, made sure his team crossed the line, and made sure he hit the winning run. This is poetic justice, ladies and gentlemen. No wonder they say cricket is a great leveler. Exactly, captaincy by leading at the forefront. Ajay stood there. He knew he had been taken for runs. He took the responsibility, made sure his wicket did not fall. What a knock, what a player. Fantastic scenes here in the middle. The winning team, Bahrain! Ajay Kumar, what a proud moment, ladies and gentlemen. What a proud moment this is. Ajay, I call you. Ajay. Ajay, for a group photo.
मेरे को इधर पे क्या इसलिए